This makes me think of my grandfather. He'd make a strong cup of coffee every morning in his percolator. He had it forever. He used to tell us about how after the war the country recovered through strong companies who looked to do good in the world, not just make money selling cheap stuff. Companies that actually cared about their customers and understood them. And this is a company Grandpa would have been proud of. A company that remembers the values of our grandfathers. A company that gives back. This isn't your grandpa's percolator, but it could have been.
The nCamp Café is about the size of a water bottle and makes espresso-style coffee just about anywhere. To make great coffee, remove the cup, unfold the handles, add water and coffee grounds, then heat the water to boiling. The nCamp Café is designed for use with the nCamp stove, but also works with other stoves. The Café is made of stainless steel. The cup and handles have a silicone wrap for grip and insulation. It makes about 12 ounces of great tasting coffee. nCamp, pack small, adventure.
Hi guys, today I'm excited to show you Eureka's Camp Cafe Express group coffee system. Until now, if you wanted good coffee at camp, you were pretty much limited to single serving options like pour over, an AeroPress, or a messy French press. The Camp Cafe is a pour over system that brews enough coffee for the whole group quickly. So you get the bold, rich flavor of pour over and incredibly easy cleanup. So the whole thing nests together for easy transport and storage. And then when you unpack it, you get the boil kettle itself, you get the coffee carafe, pour over filter cone, and this little coffee scoop. The boil kettle is made of hard anodized aluminum, and it features flux ring technology like you see on your favorite jet boil cook systems. So you can get this thing up to brewing temperature twice as fast as a normal kettle. The carafe here is also made from aluminum, and it has a silicone base for protection and to prevent it from sliding around. It holds 12 cups of coffee, so everyone can fill their mug on the first round. The Camp Cafe is super easy to use. While your water's getting up to a boil, go ahead and set the filter holder on top of the carafe. Pop in a number 4 filter, and then use the included scoop to measure out your coffee grounds. Try to pour slowly enough to keep the water level consistent in the cone, and keep pouring until you've got the amount of coffee you need in the carafe. Now, the other great thing about the Camp Cafe is how easily it cleans up. All you have to do is rinse it with water, toss the grounds and filter, and you're good to go. So there you have it, the Camp Cafe Express Group Coffee System. Not only can you make fresh pour-over coffee that's way better than instant, your whole group gets a cup quickly, so everyone is fueled and ready to go first thing.
How to use the Minipresso GR, a step-by-step guide. The first step is to pull the cup from the top of the Minipresso. Next, unscrew the portafilter. Then remove the filter basket from the Minipresso, and using the included scoop, add 8 grams of finely ground coffee. Lightly tamp the coffee in the filter basket using the bottom of the scoop as a tamp. Place the filter basket into the Minipresso. Screw on the portafilter. Next, unscrew the water tank and add hot boiling water up to the line. Screw on the water tank. Unlock the piston by twisting it counterclockwise. Pump the Minipresso to extract the espresso. Enjoy.